Welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're focusing on a topic that can truly elevate your blog's success, SEO. If you want more people to discover your blog, stick around as we explore how to improve SEO for a blogger for better search rankings. So what exactly is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of techniques that help your blog show up higher in search results when people search for topics you write about. The better your SEO, the more visible your blog becomes. And the more visible your blog, the more visitors you get. Let's break it down with some practical tips to boost your blog's SEO on Blogger. First up, understanding SEO basics is key. SEO involves strategies to rank higher in search results. Search engines look at factors like content quality, keyword relevance, and how easy your blog is to navigate. So make sure your posts are helpful, use clear titles, and include keywords that people are searching for. Next, let's talk about keyword research. This helps you understand what people are searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest can show you popular and relevant keywords. Use these to find the best terms for your posts. And remember, long-tail keywords like comfortable running shoes for women can help you target specific audiences. Now, structuring your blog posts is crucial. Start with an engaging introduction. Use headings and subheadings to break up the text. This makes your post easier to read and helps search engines understand it better. Adding an FAQ section can also boost your SEO by answering common questions and improving user experience. Let's craft compelling titles and meta descriptions. Include important keywords in your titles and make them clear and interesting. For meta descriptions, write short summaries that highlight what's valuable about your post and include relevant keywords. Make your content easy to read. Use bullet points, short paragraphs, and add images to illustrate your points. This keeps readers engaged and helps with SEO. Also, remember to balance keywords with natural, easy-to-follow writing. Using internal and external links is another great SEO strategy. Link to other relevant posts on your blog to keep readers on your site longer. Also, link to reputable external sites to add value and credibility to your content. Don't forget about visual content. Optimize your images with descriptive file names and alt text. This helps search engines understand your visuals and improves your rankings. Regular content updates are essential for SEO. Search engines favor blogs with fresh content, so keep a content calendar to stay organized and ensure you're posting new articles regularly. Finally, monitor your SEO performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These tools provide insights into how well your SEO strategies are working and help you make adjustments. To wrap things up, improving SEO on Blogger can make a huge difference in your blog's visibility and success. By using the right keywords, creating quality content, and optimizing your blog's structure, you can climb the search rankings and attract more readers. Have questions or experiences with SEO? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips from Truehost Academy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.